Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in playlist LeetCode 75, today we are looking into LeetCode problem 392 is subsequence. So in this one, we are given two strings and we need to find if one string is part of another string, like is it a subsequence of the bigger string. So in simple, so if you can see, I'm taking the example one. So we are having this is one string and another one is ABC. If you observe, ABC is a part of this one. So here A is matching here, B is matching here, and C is matching here. So, and the sequence is also same. If we remove H and G and D, then we will have the same string. So that is our output. You can get to know more about it when you are seeing example 2 as well. Then our way of solution, like our way of solving this one, is we are going to use a simple for loop, and uh, I'm going to take a simple variable and I will just explain the problem like solution by taking this example. First, I will take index I at the zeroth index. I is equals to 0, and I will loop through the other string. So I will loop through this string and I will just compare if the current character is matching with this index character in this string. Okay, so here in this case A is equals to matching with A, then I will increase I to 1. Okay, and then I am comparing this ith index, that means 1th index, to the next subsequent characters. So it is not, H is not matching with B, and then and we will move to next character. Here it is B, right? B is matching with B, so I will increase this I to 2. It will continue like then I'm comparing it with now B will become C, and here I'm comparing it with G, and then D, and then C. So once we find C, I will become 3. So once I becomes S length, that means this ABC length, which is equals to 3, I will return true. So let's assume that it is here we are having X, and at this moment, in this case, I will become 2 only. After completing this loop also, I will become 2 only. Then I is less than this particular length, right? So I is not equals to this particular string's length, right? Then I will return false. So solution is better than words. So let's directly jump into the solution. So as I mentioned, I'm taking a variable index and I am looping through this t, and I am checking if c is equals to t. If c is equals to t, then I will increase index. Okay, and after this loop, I will just return if index is equals to s dot length. That's it. And in the loop also, I will just check after increasing index. I will just check if index is equals to c dot s dot length. Then I will just simply return true. This is one just checking one small check uh, to not exceed this s length. Sometimes why I'm adding this particular one is sometimes we will have this kind of example. So C is matching with this character, and index will increase, and yet in the bigger string we yet to complete this loop at f index, right? F index. At the time, it is already exceeded this particular index, so index is already become 3. At the time when we are checking um this particular index, then we will get some error thrown. So that's why I'm using this one. And here also in if condition, I'm checking c with t, so it's not correct, sorry. Here I need to make the change s of index. That's it. So for this condition, for this kind of conditions where we will index will exceed the length of the um, length of the string s, small string. Then for that condition we added this if condition. That's it. It's a very simple solution and it's very easy also. I'm giving it a try. Yes, it succeeded. I'm submitting it. Yes. So this is about today's problem. We solved it by using simple for each loop and by using a simple index. It's very efficient. You can see it is 100%. It's with 100%. So that's it about today's problem. I will come back with the next problem tomorrow. Thanks everyone.